sing. Hey, hey. Come make we sing, let the praises rise to the rock of our salvation. Lift your eyes from the hill so high to the ocean floor. Jah alone we praise forevermore. Bet we shout aloud with a joyful sound, give him thanks as the rhythm pound. With thanksgiving in every line, me glorify the King divine. For the Lord is great above all gods, King above all, worthy of applause. In his hand the depths of earth